Good morning, hello everyone. Today is a beautiful day in the Netherlands. It's usually typically sunny, but it's always just freezing and sunny, and so it's very misleading when you look out the window and then you go outside and you just need a scarf and gloves. But today it is actually warm, it feels like summer. So I thought I would just do a what I eat in a day as a college student. And all of today's recipes will be a little bit more summery since it's nice and warm. And also just kind of taking you guys around with me, showing you what I do on a typical day when I don't have class and the sun's out, because those are always more fun than cold days at home. I'm also in the middle of filming a video about natural skincare remedies for breakouts and acne, so be sure to look out for that. And I'm probably totally getting washed out by the wall and my shirt in the sun right now, but that's okay. So this is nothing new. I usually start my day with some ginger tea, and I usually just steep some fresh ginger root with hot water and then drink a couple of these before I start eating for the day. So just gonna finish this and then we'll start cooking. So I am just starting off with a big bowl of grapes while watching a little bit of Princess and the Frog, because I do have work to do for class, but while I eat and while the day is starting, I still like to get a slower start, and it feels like summer, so I'm acting like it's summer too. And I have the windows open and I love the sound of people like talking and playing outside. Like I live in student housing, and so like the tennis courts and the field are all right there, so just the sound of like the ball and the rackets, just people talking and laughing, makes me really happy. I don't know if it's just like the summer vibes or what, but yeah, I like having the windows open and listening to all of that sort of subconsciously, because it just makes me feel lighter and happier.
Here's a frog. I would get so 100 frogs if I could marry a prince and be a princess. You girls.
Food, it brings folks together from all walks of life. It warms them right up and it puts little smiles on their faces.
Hello, so we are moving on to a more official kind of breakfast. I always like to start my day with some kind of fresh fruit, but then I like to have something a little bit denser. Some days it's oatmeal, some days it's toast. But when it's usually hotter outside, I like smoothies or cold cereals. I don't have enough fruit for a smoothie right now. I wish I did, but I'm trying to work with what I have right now. And all I have is some puffed quinoa, some walnuts, some goji berries, and some coconut rice milk. So we're gonna be making some kind of cold cereal out of that. And I actually really do want some fruit in here. I wish I had banana. I feel like that would taste really good, or some kind of berries. I do have a couple apples, so I think I'm gonna chop one of those up and throw it in here as well. Okay, so I just added the apples and some cinnamon. And then now we're gonna add our coconut milk. So typically on days like this where I'm sort of just trying to work with what I have sort of random meals. So sometimes it's like 2 breakfasts and a dinner, or a big lunch, small breakfast, big dinner. It all varies, and it's all kind of, oh, my funny bone. So I am going to dig into this now. And I also have some avocado and bread that I want to use. So I might have like a third breakfast, grapes don't count, a second kind of breakfast in a little bit. Or maybe it'll just together, they'll make up my lunch, I don't know. But I'm gonna eat this now. So it is a few hours later and I'm hungry again. Still not gonna do like a full lunch yet because I'm feeling lazy, but we're gonna do some avocado toast and then have like a dinner. Today's a little bit of a different sort of off eating day, but I honestly have these a lot depending on my schedule and how hungry I am and what food I have. So let's make some avocado toast now and start with that. So I only had enough avocado for 2, and I wanted some different flavors. So this one just has lemon, salt, and avo. This one has some paprika too. And this one just is basic with some olive oil and salt. And I might add a little oregano too, but yeah. So for a sort of dinner, we're going to be making some Tuscan Italian kind of style beans. So I just have the veggies here cut up and ready to go. So it's just some bell pepper, onion, garlic. We'll be adding the white beans, and then some tomato as well. But for now I just have some coconut oil heating up. So I'm kind of treating this as my pre-dinner because I'm going with some friends to a fort for sunset, and we're gonna have sort of like a picnic. Not like a meal, but we'll probably eat a ton of crap food. So I definitely want to have something substantial before I go. But I also am going to be eating a lot more later, so I want to save some room for that. So I'm going to finish this off, and then we will be biking to the fort.
Everything first.
But I don't know why all three of us got the same grade.
I've done it again. I was just editing and I realized that I forgot to wrap up my video. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I think I just finished off the day. Went to a friend's sort of Spanish style music concert at a bar. We rode our bikes we didn't end up going to a fort. We went to a local chateau, which was beautiful. And I probably just munched on cookies and crackers and things in my room. So yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please remember to hit that subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you soon.